Okay, I'm gonna resupply here. I'd suggest everybody else do the same if you're...
God damn
unless you're
it.
newly alive.
Ow.
Going right. Jesus. Fuck
I
me.
do not suggest going outside.
Bad idea.
No, I haven't checked that yet, Logic Gear. It's just, shit.
Bad decision.
I saw two moving out to the left. I got one down. I think I got both down.
Moving
Oh,
out.
popping smoke.
One front left. Mid.
Okay, I'm going out, going right. Oh, shit, you're all right.
Grenade
Going
out. Moving up center truck.
Yeah, covering left side center.
We're
Moving
taking
the tree.
Charlie.
Way down. Alright, moving into warehouse.
Okay, I think I got him.
Nope. Oh, we got multiples.
1,000, 2,000.
Charlie has been secured. Nice,
Down.
good job. Hold up. There's a counterattack incoming. Stay put.
Reload, move back.
I load.
Pulling back interior of C. And go upper level. Oh, shit.
We've got
Some shit up here.
multiples.
Holy
Fuck.
crap, what was that?
RPG.
They got multiples down.
Mobile tank
Oh,
boost.
fuck. Okay, hey, Pound Cake, thanks for hanging, buddy. Sorry I didn't see that. Have a good one,
Oh, that
buddy.
was real scary for a minute.
Love you, man.
Alright,
But not in that weird way.
Nice, moving up.
I love him in that weird way. Rushing on the D.
On the D right now. Guy on tank, though. Tank. Oh!
Oh shit, I'm on your 6.
Somebody threw a grenade, I think it was them.
What was left of your
Yeah.
6?
Fuck.
Hey, 24 and 2, I'm happy with that.
Ooh, 12 and 2.
GG to the GG.
That glass breaks so realistically.
Just like when I normally shoot out windows.
Glass physics.
Oh, you guys gotta blow the cache.
You what?
Yes.
Gotta blow
you're in
the cache.
Where's the cache
blow
at?
it.
Lower
It's
level?
like in that building. Yeah,
Okay,
lower level.
I have thermite. Is this it right here? Or?
Yeah,
like
it's
on
that
the wall.
panel.
Okay. Watch out. Thermite out.
Nice job. Nothing to destroy.
Nice.
Okay, they
Okay.
just come rushing all down from that like cave.
From the left side tunnel?
Yeah, tunnel.
Oh, that guy just ate it. There's a frag up the thing. Is there a frag up the ramp here?
Watch out.
Oh,
Throw smoke.
I think we might. Nope.
I don't know if you noticed, but the frags actually roll quite a bit now when they hit the ground.
Because they reduced the weight on them, right? Hey, what's up? Reynold?
They did something to
Reynaldo?
them.
Brady? I think that's what Mikey was saying, like they had the weight wrong on them before, so they kind of hit and just not move.
They
It's like
increased
some
the
like,
gravity
Oh, hello.
or something.
yeah, it
Whoa!
was like 200% of gravity or whatever, and that's what was causing the problem. On your 6 for Topsy. Checking upper level.
I just got blown away by a grenade.
Ooh, there's a cave.
Let's see here.
Yeah,
There's
when they were
only one
testing
thing.
it out, I was bitching about it
We're
because
taking Echo.
they had a bug or something, like you'd throw it and it'd go like a foot and then drop.
Yeah.
This time it actually goes.
Yeah, it's pretty good now.
Okay.
So now you can do your Kobe grenade toss right into a group of insurgents.
Could do
That's
that.
what I do.
I need a second. Gotta load.
So I don't know where
They're
they're coming out
counterattacking. They're trying to take back the objective.
The tunnels.
of. I guess, yeah.
Whoever's got the RPG is gonna get shot.
Kerplot. I love it though.
Oh, that's
Oh, okay.
Anybody have visual? Oh, yeah. Lower level. Damn it, they got me.
Lower level tunnels.
Knight Rider.
Yeah,
shoot
lower
the
level tunnel. Flop on them.
Guys, cover me.
I did not just see an insurgent just Michael Jackson slide all the way out of that.
Yeah, they changed the slide.
Yeah. He just slid.
Yeah,
all the
Seth,
way.
it is a pretty nice custom map. Okay, I'm back in.
Oh, shit.
Back in.
We are in some shit, aren't we?
I don't know if we should push yet or wait.
Yeah,
for
Mike
them to
is
come
not
out.
always accurate when it looks like it's over and then you run up to
Yeah.
the face. Case in
that.
point,
Change my magazine.
clear left on the tunnel.
Not today.
Oh, I'm in.
Nice.
Heads up, incendiary out.
Why'd you throw an incendiary? It wasn't serious.
Fragmentation
Okay.
coming up.
Yeah, trying to split up so we're not such a RPG magnet. Split moving into F. I'm on Henrizzle 6.
Moving through
Ru-
center building.
Rushing on F.
Moving on
We're
F.
taking Foxtrot.
I'm in F.
Very nice.
Cover left
On
doorway.
F right now.
Right, reloading. Okay, I'm loading. I'm reloading. Hey, cover me. I'm reloading.
Cover me, I'm reloading.
We need to get the
Just taking
derp
Foxtrot.
squad
Oh.
camouflage going.
Oh, you gotta
Counterattack.
spread
We
out.
got a counterattack.
Be like tie-dye
Alright, get 'em up.
camouflage. We blend in.
Well, thanks for the idea now.
Okay, I'm gonna try and scatter because I don't want to catch an RPG with a Fizz
Why are they all wearing straw hats and overalls?
Well, there's a shooting gallery over here.
Yeah, they're all wearing straw hats, overalls, free pants.
Whoa.
Come on, guys. Keep moving.
Why does that one look like Matthew McConaughey? Why is he
Alright, alright. How come the skin's so white? They simply glisten in the
I
sun.
need cover. Loading.
Are they wrestling each other? Shit. I forgot to
me
resupply
cover,
or
I'm
that
loaded
running low.
There's a shooting gallery over here.
Yo, I'm loading.
Shit.
I got a grenade.
Oh,
Okay.
start running that bitch. Oh, fire. Fire
Yeah,
bad.
it's my bad. I got shot before I could toss it.
No worries. Fire's like my skin in the sun. What the hell
What
took
the
me
hell?
down?
Whoa.
Whoa.
I just saw you guys
Fuck.
fly towards me.
Spectating on random and it stops on MKLM. Spectating on you.
Morning.
Morning.
Alright, they're coming from that smoke.
Take him down to Chinatown. Come on. If you got that M203, I'd sad lob one in there. You're gonna be all indiscriminate about it. Maybe not.
I don't
now
know
that
the
someone's-
button.
Taking golf.
I think it's like 3 or 4. I can't remember what it is. To switch to.
2
Just
and
hit
3
one.
is you hit one again. It
Oh,
switches back and forth between a regular rifle and that.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, there's a pipe. Somebody take a hit.
I'm changing magazines.
Where?
Move to go.
I do not
Right.
condone the
Oh,
use
hookah.
of illegal drugs. But
It's a
We
hookah.
got golf.
Hey, it's legal here.
New
It's just
magazine.
a hookah.
Counterattack incoming. Get ready.
Puka puka.
What do you think they're hookahing it in?
Oh shit. I think. He just spawned out.
I got this.
We need to flush him out.
You need to flush him out. I'm down.
Jesus. Let's go focus. We can get this. I'm back in the fight. It's time for me to duke the hell out of this.
Jefferson.
Welcome
Everybody,
back.
throw grenades and then just sit on them. That'll help tamp the explosive and make a bigger hole in your ass.
And it'll leave more kills for you. Boosting
Yeah.
that AD ratio. Come on.
Exactly. Farm it. Yeah, SF, I gotta have someone. It's a long story, but it's kind of a workaway thing. Oh shit.
Grenade.
Is that grenade out? Yeah, grenade was out. Damn.
God.
I got like no visibility. Coming in on you,
We're
Sid.
taking hotel.
You guys is 6.
What?
I've never been this far on this map before.
Me either.
Which means we're about to fuck this up. Hardcore. Keep an eyes on upper level.
Hitting up a level.
Okay. I'm just trying to find
We
the
got
stairs.
hotel.
Alright,
Counterattack! What are
area.
the odds? Oh, fuck.
Get down. It's gonna be like the other level. We're gonna have to mow them down the stairway.
Yeah, I'm guessing they're gonna come back through where we just came through. Jeez, where the fuck's that
Where are
coming
they?
from? Is that upper
Got
level?
him.
Yeah, they're at the rear of the upper level.
Balcony.
Move up there. You're just a target.
I'm always a target, so
Now he's
live my
backing his
life.
ass down on top of me.
That's the way you like it.
How you guys doing down the stairs?
Shooting over your shoulder, save your ass.
Come on, we gotta move.
So caused my
Wait, no.
animation to go back in.
Wait, no, we have to do the buddy movie thing. We're even. From that time when things got out of hand at KB Toys back.
Why is your crotches attacking me?
Everybody knows mouth fucking's the best way to get through this level.
I don't know that.
I do.
Well, your mouth was full while we were talking about it.
Yeah, you're not allowed to cuss and chat, but in here,
Yeah, I know. It's called hypocrisy.
We got good guys on India. We're taking it.
Yeah, SF, we bought the bitch, and that's the way I have to keep it, so I apologize if that bothers you. But that's the way it has to stay. Jesus, it's like we're at Insurgent Summer Camp. What's this? Hotel right now? We're in the arts and
We should
crafts
have orders to
area.
be there.
Let me guess, we have to
Wow.
defend this
Just try to
one.
retake this position. Defend it.
This map's pretty cool.
Actually, yeah, that's pretty awesome. I'm always tempted to like hate on a map, and it's like, oh, I never really made it to this stuff.
I remember
We're
this
discovering
one
that.
now. This is one that Mikey was testing one of his streams.
Oh fuck, who's got the flashlight? Shit.
Yeah, put this shit away. It's Osama bin Laden.
No wonder. Double agent. Fucking A, man, that flashlight, Jesus. Works both ways, man.
This bomb.
Oh, good to hear it, SF. I have orders to be there. Every time I hear a grenade drop, I'm like that.
Yo, Josh, I'm gonna be in your hometown.
Really?
Yeah, just for an
We
hour.
gotta get moving.
Oh, there you go.
I'm loading a new
You know,
was-
you can see everything you want to see in about an hour anyway, so that's not saying a
Yeah,
whole lot.
if I was there overnight, I was gonna make it, go to dinner or something.
Okay. But you're only 1 hour later.
Yeah, the wife. I was planning to do a overnight stay, but the wife was being greedy and wanted me back right away.
Oh, well, totally understandable. Plus, it's like, you know, it's one of those things like, yeah, an hour layover here is enough. But yeah, totally, man. When are you going to be here? Only for your
21st.
1 hour. 21st? Okay.
So, I mean, I have to like go to the gate and stuff, so it's not enough time to do anything.
No, I know, and that's the thing. It's like, you know, I can't get through security and be like, hey, yeah, I just want to say hi to a friend. Let's have to bring him these 3.5 ounce baggies of stuff. Oh my god, terrorist! I saw a caption for that the other day. Like, they had like a picture of like a 3-ounce spray bottle, and it's like, to the TSA, weapon of mass destruction. And then they show that clear plastic bag, it's like, weapon of mass destruction, disarmed.
We've taken Juliet.
Wow, this
Big
map is
fucking
pretty
group of them heading towards the objective.
Seriously,
Get ready.
like, it's got a lot of waypoints, and they're far apart. Because some of them, it's
Yeah.
like you just end up traversing the map back and forth 5 times, you know, to get to like M or whatever. Anybody got visual?
Not yet.
Computer?
Let's meet in the family bathroom, you know, just to download some stuff.
Yeah, I used to be so mad at the TSA when I was in the army. It's like, you know, they do like the random shoe inspection and stuff like that.
Dude, they would pull that shit if I was in uniform.
Yeah, anytime I was in uniform, they would put me on the side and check
Guys,
me like,
It's a fetish.
Sorry, go
I
ahead.
think anybody with a uniform and a valid military ID should be exempt.
Just because it's like, yeah, like, I don't know. I mean, I'm sure they're like, terrorists would dress like if they could, whatever.
It's
Dude,
like,
if
hey,
our
I'm
own
gonna-
Americans can't get it right with a stolen valor, come on.
Yeah, exactly. I'm a Navy SEAL Ranger Op Delta Force motherfucker, Master Gunnery Sergeant Colonel. Check that shit. And I got 2 Purple Hearts in Vietnam. What?
Hold 2.
And you're 27. Okay. What a full
And I can
life.
snipe a person from 3 miles away in a sandstorm.
Well, only
Yeah.
if you're
The slingshot.
the body Ventura. So
Oh, yeah.
yeah, he's Navy SEAL everything.
Well, he doesn't have time to bleed. Oh man, that is a risky business slide. I saw it for the first time.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I think this hallway's the way to go. Friendly. Let's make sure. Hey, wait, Hoxley, get back here. I need to search your boots.
Yay! We did it.
Oh my god, so
Yeah.
Josh, freedom is so close I can taste it.
Are you across the water yet, or no?
No, I leave here on the 21st.
Oh, you leave there on the 21st. And you gain, what, 7 hours getting back in the center.